Yeah, so are we. We think the whole garment industry is pretty backwards, that places such as Nike, Uniqlo, Adidas, Disney and Zara and a whole bunch of others can charge really high prices for their things to be made in sweatshops. And we think it is nonetheless backwards that cheaper places such as Kmart, ASOS and H&M charge little prices without taking into consideration the invisible cost. By this, I mean the cost of a stolen childhood, the mental and physical health of workers, their human rights and their labour rights, and the complete degradation of the planet, all which is being impacted by the garment industry. It's safe to say that whatever way you look at it, the garment industry is pretty backwards. So that is where the Wear It Backwards campaign steps in. We challenge every person on the 2nd of December, the UN Abolition of Slavery Day, to wear it backwards. Yes, it will be a bit uncomfortable, but we think it should be uncomfortable to support a $2.4 trillion industry that makes its money off the abuse of human and environmental rights. We need to talk about the uncomfortable topics of labour trafficking, labour exploitation, especially of children, debt bondage, modern day slavery, and the degradation of our planet. And whilst your shirt is backward, it's a perfect time to check your tag. Get to know your clothes. Where do they come from? What are they made of? What sort of values are you supporting? Our goal is to have every Australian garment business accredited by the Ethical Clothing Australia organisation. This would ensure that their supply chains are transparent and they're legally binding to the ethical, safety and sustainability standards. To do this, we think we should partner up. So that is why we're joining forces with Save the Children and Dressember. Now that we've got these guys on board, what are you going to do? How are you going to join us in this public campaign? Well, first, you need to learn about it. Go onto our website and read, watch, listen, whatever works for you. Then, join us on the 2nd of December and wear it backwards. And when you do, make sure you go out and spread awareness and post about it with the hashtag #WearItBackwards. Anyone that wears clothes can be an ambassador. Then, take it a step further and boycott. Only shop at places that have ethical production. And make sure you tell your favourite brands to get accredited. And be sure that it's in line with the International Labour Organisation's fundamental foundations.